In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build your own authority affiliate sites filled with high-ranking content and Amazon product reviews, all while generating free traffic and earning affiliate commissions daily. Before we dive into the platform, let me quickly show you a couple of demo sites built entirely with our new software AuthoritySites AI. Here's the first demo site, Home Office Rocks. This site is packed with expert reviews and recommendations on the best chairs, desks, and accessories for setting up the perfect home office. Every piece of content you see here, product comparisons, reviews, and detailed resources on workspace setup has been 100% generated by AI. And it looks amazing. Next, let's check out underwater photography. This site focuses on helping people discover the best cameras, accessories, and tips for capturing stunning underwater images. The content covers everything people need to know about this topic, and there's a resources section filled with helpful guides and how-to articles that make this site a trusted source of information. Both of these sites are built to rank well in Google thanks to the thorough, niche-focused content created entirely by AI. You won't have to write a single word yourself. Our software handles everything. Now let me show you just how easy it is to create a site like these with AuthoritySites AI. Once you log in, the first step is simple. Click the Build a New Site button. Here you can select a niche for your site. If you already have one in mind, you can enter it directly. But if you're not sure, just click the Help Me Choose a Niche button and you'll get suggestions based on different Amazon categories. For example, I'll choose the electronics category and select camera and photo. As you can see, AuthoritySites AI suggests several sub-niches. I'll go with underwater photography gear. Once I click this button, it automatically fills in the description and Amazon category to help create better quality content for your site. Next, give your site a name. I'll go ahead and type one in here. Then choose a free subdomain for your site. You'll also get a free top-level domain included, so your site looks professional and is ready to rank right out of the gate. You can also select the language for your site. With AuthoritySites AI, you can create sites targeting different regions, as we support 17 Amazon countries and their languages, so you can reach audiences worldwide. Click the Save button, and within minutes, your new site is live and ready. Now, let's add some product reviews. AuthoritySites AI comes with a custom Chrome extension that makes adding Amazon products to your site as easy as clicking a button. Simply browse any Amazon category, find a product you want to promote, click the extension, choose your site from the drop-down menu, a product category, and hit Review this product. The product is instantly imported and the AI begins generating a full product review. You can check the status of the review in real time. The AI writes a detailed, engaging review based on thousands of top-ranking affiliate sites, ensuring the content is optimized to drive sales and rank high in search engines. Once the review is ready, let's take a look. The site is clean, professional, and fully loaded with 100% unique content that makes it an authority in its niche. You'll also notice the resources section, which is filled with valuable how-to guides and educational content. Another reason why Google loves these sites. Every time someone visits your site, clicks on affiliate link, and buys a product, you earn a commission. And with AuthoritySites AI, your site is built to attract free organic traffic from Google, Bing, and other search engines. Whether you're just getting started or you're a seasoned marketer looking to scale, AuthoritySites AI does all the hard work for you. You don't need any experience, and you can build a high-ranking, commission-generating site in just a few minutes. So that's it. I hope you're excited to get started. Go ahead, click the buy button, and I'll see you inside the dashboard.